Maintaining good hygiene of your penis is important for your overall health, comfort and confidence. And in this video, we're going to cover 10 tips on how to keep this area clean. The first tip might seem obvious, but it's really important that you wash regularly. And I'd suggest cleaning your penis with warm water daily. Now, if you've got a foreskin, gently pull it back and wash underneath. But it's really important to remember that if you have pulled your foreskin back to clean the penis, make sure you pull it back into its normal position once you've finished. Otherwise, you could develop something called a paraphimosis. This is where you can't push the foreskin back into position. Now, this can be problematic for several reasons. First, the retracted foreskin can act like a tight band around the head of the penis, restricting blood flow. This can lead to swelling and pain in the head of the penis, and ultimately, if it doesn't go back into position, it can impair blood flow to the tip of the penis, which is a medical emergency as it can lead to tissue damage. Now, tip number 2 is to use mild soap when you're cleaning. Now, I'd suggest that you choose a mild, fragrance-free soap to avoid irritation, and that's because harsh soaps and fragrances can cause irritation or even allergic reactions. Now, there are lots of different brands of fragrance-free mild soaps, so you just need to Google them or speak to your local pharmacist who can help you to choose one. My third tip is a related one, and that's to make sure that you thoroughly rinse off any soap or cleanser to prevent irritation to the genitals. Once you've finished washing, tip number 4 is to dry your genitals thoroughly. After washing, gently pat the area dry with a clean towel, and remember to use a different towel to dry your body and genitals to the towel that you use to dry your face. Now, it's really important that you dry the area properly because otherwise moisture can lead to bacterial or fungal growths and cause things like jock itch, which is a common fungal infection in the groin region. Now, if you do develop this, don't worry, because I've made a video elsewhere on the channel which explains everything that you need to know about this, including what it is, symptoms, as well as how to treat it. Now, moving on to tip number 5, and that's if you've got pubic hair, trimming it regularly can help to maintain cleanliness by reducing sweat and debris buildup. Now, I'm stressing here that you trim the pubic hair rather than shave it, and that's because trimming shortens your pubic hair without cutting it too close to the skin, which can otherwise lead to injury or infection. Now, for this, you can use scissors or a trimming tool marketed for use on the pubic hair, or even tools that are made for trimming beards. And some popular ones include Manscaped, Braun, and Gillette trimmers. Again, a quick Google search will help you to find one that will work for you. Tip 6 is to make sure that you're wearing clean and comfortable underwear. Make sure that you change your underwear daily. A good choice of material for boxers are those made from pure cotton, which is a breathable material and helps prevent moisture buildup, which can reduce the risk of infection. Now, tip number 7 is to avoid tight clothing, and that's because it can increase sweating and restrict airflow, again leading to moisture buildup and potential irritation or risk of infection like jock itch. Like I mentioned before, it's best to opt for loose and breathable fabrics. Now, tip number 8 is to practice safe sex. Use condoms to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, also known as STDs or STIs, as well as maintain good genital health. Tip number 9 is to check regularly for abnormalities of the penis. So I would suggest that you regularly check for any signs of infection such as unusual odours, discharge, sores, ulcers or itching. Early detection can help in effective treatment, and if you're worried about anything on your penis, go and speak to your health provider or visit your local sexual health clinic. And I've included links on how to find the nearest one to you if you live in the UK or the USA in the description box of this video. My final tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to regulate body temperature and can help to reduce sweating, which can keep your genital area cleaner and less prone to bacterial or fungal growth. Now, I hope you found these 10 tips helpful. For more information, please do check out the description box of the video where I've included lots of useful resources, and please share any tips for others in the comments section of the video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.